Hello, I all. Today we will analyze the stocks that we already recommended. You can check that shares in our Telegram channel if you are our Telegram channel member. You already aware about these stocks. Then we will discuss the shares for the new entry. Telegram channel shares in the link. If I will show you, this is the list for that we recommended these stocks. So currently this is the return percentage of the stocks. We will go one by one to every stocks and analyze whether there is anything we require to do on re-entry, hold or stop loss. So let's go to first shares. TVS Holding. TVS Holding already give us the return of 117%, but still if we will go to the weekly analysis, it's giving the breakout again after the consolidation. So we will re-enter this stock. Next stock is National Aluminum. If I will refresh, we enter somewhere here in National Aluminum, and now it's like in consolidation phase. If it will cross 203 205, then we will enter. Currently if you will share our Google Sheet also, this Google Sheet you will find also in our Telegram channel. This is updating real time. So National Aluminum, currently here I updated in the M column in the sheet share India, the hold. After that there is a share Pesalo. Pesalo also giving the breakout. If you see diagonal pattern, this is the weekly share that we identified somewhere here at 57. It goes up to till 100 and it's went down again, but still our stop loss not hit, so we are holding these shares and it's giving the diagonal breakout. So here we updated the status also. Pesalo also we can re-enter. Then there is a share Motilal Oswal. Motilal Oswal, I think we re-enter last week, but after giving the breakout last week it's came down, so we still holding these shares. So I marked here holding. We will re-enter if it will cross, if after consolidation it is breaking their high somewhere here 700, then we will re-enter. The next share is ONGC. ONGC is government company, or PSU companies all are in theme already. So we identified somewhere here 197, it's already run up, then it's now in consolidation phase. If it's break over 286, so then we will re-enter. Now it's currently, if you will see here, ONGC is still in hold position. EIH Associates, I remember like last week we re-entered on the EIH Associates. Yes, if you able to see like last week chart, it's give breakout, so we re-enter. Now it's like little bit consolidating. Last to last week it's give big volume also, so we will hold this share also. Here I updated the remarks for EIH Associates also hold. Then there is a NBCC share. NBCC is a little bit higher market cap, so I not look for like 2 3 4 times potential in these shares. We identified something here 134, it went to 188, then it went down, but it not hits our stop loss, still it is in holding. Now it's going up again. If it is break something 172, then we will re-enter. Currently it's also in the hold. Then next share is Time Technoplast. In Time Technoplast we got the news also. Last week I updated on my Telegram channel also, like it get the it's a first company to get approval in high pressure hydrogen cylinder. Hydrogen is also in theme. We already have in our portfolio one more shares, Tech Wabag, that is also in water cleaning, and Time Technoplast is in the storage of the hydrogen. So these stocks also I think triggered last week breakout, but now it is in the hold. It's consolidated or it's came down after a green candle of last week, so this share is also in hold. Then Tech Wabag, that is also the hydrogen theme, that gives the good run up. Already we identified at 941, currently it's trading at 1280. So Tech Wabag is also hold. Amara Raja Energy Mobility, that we identified on the 2nd June. If you're able to see just before the result dates, so it shows good volume. If you're able to see here, there is a good increase in volume. and here there is a breakout of the lifetime, and then it increased like price or chart volume before the news is coming. It's already reflected in the price and chart. After the election we got to know like TDP government, there is some involvement in the BJP government, and they have major involvement in the making the government. So that's like already run up in 1 month 42%. Now we will discuss the new shares we identified. So here you will able to see share India's pipeline, the new shares that we identified. First one is Bhansali Engineering Polymer. Bhansali Engineering Polymer is if you give, it's giving breakout of lifetime, and it makes high in January 2018 here, then again tried to break out its high in November 2021, but now it's give the breakout, and volume is not too much good, but still like it's there is a good volume here before. So I gave here 4 points for technical to the Bhansali Engineering. Fundamentally is, if we will go to the screener, Bhansali Engineering, if you will able to see like profit is decreasing, like 21-22 is a good year, and 243 their sales are also stagnant, but their margins are very good. So that's why I not like auto ancillary theme is already in the currently working. TVS Holding also we have auto ancillary company. So I gave here the point of 3.5. New trigger is the company is increasing their capacity, but this project of increasing their capacity, that is increasing their capacity by 2.5 times, will be like start their operation in 2026. But that gives us the hint like the products of the company is in demand. So Bhansali Engineering, it's got 10.5 in all the 3 points. Not give me too much strength, but someone is interesting can look further into and analyze it. Hu Tamaki India Limited comes in my track as a technical analyst, but when I went to the fundamental and new trigger, it's not looking good to me. So that's why I not updated the points also here. Next share is ISMT Limited. That is interesting shares, that is giving breakout after I think 14-15 years. If you will able to see in something December 2007 it makes their high, and after that it's giving breakout in 2024. So if you will able to see, the volume is also increasing in the shares. So technically it's a very nice. If we will go to fundamental, if you will able, let's see the company's profit. Company's profit is, let's go to annual. If you will able to see, companies in loss from 2013 to till 2021, but after that there is a profit of net profit of 2374 crore, 3074 crore. That is very good number, but this is coming from exceptional profit, not normal profit. And for that, company repaid their debt. If you will able to see, in 2022 interest reduced to 13 crore directly from 263 crore, and that's helps in the coming company from the net loss to net profit. So now companies already repaid their debt, now interest cost is decreased, company revenue is increasing steadily, and margin is improved. If you will able to see 9520456 minus 13814, so it's they improved in the margin, very good. Here you will check the borrowings, like in March 21 borrowings of 2000 crore, that now reduced to 164 crore. If we will go to debtors days, company reducing their debtor days, so that is also looking. One concern is public holding. Public holding is 25%, but we need to analyze this. Like public holding, I not analyzed yet, like who is the shareholders. If the shareholders are strong, they will not sell the shares. So ISMT Limited is looking very nice to me. We can enter at the current price. Okay, let's discuss next share, Indus Tower. Indus Tower is proxy of telecom. Last week we all heard the news like there is a increase by the prices by all the three companies, Airtel, Vodafone Idea and Jio. And Indus Tower is the company that is providing the this infrastructure of this uh, to the all the telecom companies, so that will help in the increase the financials of the Vodafone Idea. And there is a provisions in the books of the Indus Tower, and that will help in the recovery in Vodafone Idea is also recovering. They raised the money in the FPO last month back, I think. So Indus Tower, if you see technically, it's also looking very nice, give breakout. You can see the volume also. So I gave the 4.5 to the Indus Tower. Life company, if we will go to the financials, companies trading at 16.8p. One concern is market cap. Companies are like big market cap, but still there is a potential in the, like, I prefer to invest in the small cap company like 5,000 crore 10,000 crore instead of big company. But still it's come under my track and it's looking good. Company installed 2 lakh tower, that's they achieved last year's. Company still in the like expansion phase, like rural economy is opening up, 5G rollout is going on in the rural economy. If you will able to see company books, net profit of 1853 crore, that is you able to see like past years, this is the highest profit they book. Company operating profit margin is also increasing. One concern is borrowings. They have big borrowings in books, but that is for the capital projects, that's a concern. But companies doing good. If we will see the cash, company has less cash in their books because they are investing their internal accruals in the capex project, but that will help in the future. Company is generating good cash, but they are spending in the capex, that is good for their growth. Currently, if you able to see like data days 21, it's like like if you will see, it's increased in 2021, I think, due to concern of the geos. Now it's like maybe recover because of the market. This con call report also they mentioned they recovered the more than 100% of their receivables. This is like due to they received some old provisions they already write off, so that's better, like they are receiving the old money also recovering, that helps in their financials. Indus Tower is also first share Indus Tower is also looking good. Then we will go to black box. I mistakenly mentioned here blue box, it's black box. Black box, I already shared this on Thursday in my Telegram channels, and it's already run up 8 to 9% on Friday. So if we will go to the chart of black box, see, yes, let's go to weekly. If you will able to see monthly chart, like what are volumes, and it's give good breakout. We identified this share like before breakout. So yes, if you were able to see here, it gave breakout. We identified this share, but it's already run up 7-8% on Friday. This is also looking very good. Let's go to black box. P is little bit higher side, as okay, this is black box is in the theme of cloud. They are providing support on the cloud is also a business in theme. Some companies I analyzed already run up in the cloud businesses. So this is the company. I think Tata also some have relation with the incorporation of these companies, and this company is providing solution for the data centers that's already there in layering, how to like make more efficient use of the data, how to pull out the data from the system. So if you will able to see, like company decrease their sales during the last quarter, and let's see the annual instead of quarter. Company sales are like almost same, but if you're able to see, there is improvement in margins. And as I read the con call reports, they are targeting 10% margins. This, like here, if you will able to see, net profit is 24 crore and 2024 138 crore, but sales are same. Like how it's increasing their profit because of the operating profit margins. On companies targeting 10% their operating profit margin in upcoming years, that will help in the net increase in the net profit, and companies coming from the losses to the net profit now. It's consistent, so this will be very good financials looking forward. Company also developed in Bengaluru their center of excellence that helps in the optimization of the cost to execute the projects in the efficient manner. So that's also looking good to me. Like some points I identified, I mentioned here. What I mentioned in the sheet: black box limited, profit at lifetime high. Okay, companies in data center business, that is in theme, and they have projects in the pipeline, that is like good order book in their pipelines, so that we can enter it. Blue box limited. Then there is a share allied digital services, that is that is also in cloud business, and that is providing support to the like projects of the governments, like CCTV surveillance. Like in Ayodhya, they got the projects of the CCTV surveillance integrations, and in this in the smart city projects they are getting the projects. And as NDA government came back and make the governments for the next 5 years, so I expect the Indian government will continue their old projects, and this company will get benefit from there. This also like giving good volumes, and here it's going to give breakout. It's still not give breakout. Technically, we identified these shares like before. Like here there is one breakout, then there is a lifetime high breakout. So these shares we identified nascent, that has good potential to give return in future. If I will go to financials, let's go to yearly profit. If you will able to see, like companies book 46 crore, earlier it is giving loss and small profit. If you will able to see sales also increasing, operating profit margin is also good, 12, 13, 14%. So this is looking good, but still it is in the nation stage. But I think like as in chart it's came in track. And if you will see, data days is decreasing, inventory days is decreasing, days payable is also decreased, somewhere increased in March 2024, but still company is looking good. So you can look at these companies also, and how much point is it, it's coming here 13 point is good for allied, like breaking high, reducing data days, operational profit at lifetime high, improvement in, it's coming 2 times. This company is looking also potentially growth, providing IT supports on the smart city projects of India. Return back of India government will give boost to this company. So this is currently trading at what, 182.71. You can look at this company. Next company is Gulf Lubricant. This is the second major company in the oil lubricant industry. If you will able to see, it's giving breakout after 2017. This is very good breakout, like after giving breakout this hold and then again give breakout, like it's already give breakout something here 9:45, but we identified little bit late, but still it is at 11, near to 1217. Here we can enter it. It's looking good potential technically. So technically I gave 4.5 because it's give breakout and then consolidate, then it is giving breakout, that's confirmed, like it's going to be above. P is also good. And if I will see the cash flow and net profit of the companies is sitting at the highest net profit in 2024 in the past years. Company has good cash flows. If you will see, company is generating cash flows also, not just doing the sales. And from new trigger point of view, financials also looking good. From new point of view, company launched 31 new products in financial year 2023. Companies increasing their shareholding in the retail category, and company launched like future is EV. So this is another theme is coming. Company launched 2 new lubricants for the EV and hybrid car, that is currently trading at 1217.3. that also you can look after it. So this is the sheet, you can check. This is the Google link, you can check in the description also, that is also in our Telegram channel. And These are the new shares. Whatever shares I purchase, I will update in these sheets, and you will also look at that. And I will share the Telegram channel where you can join, and there we can share like if any news is coming between the week, so you will be updated on that. Okay, thank you. If you have any input, or you can send us on our email ID. Here also we mention our Telegram channels, you can join, or if you have any query or anything, you can mention in our chat query discussion on Telegram channel, or in a, or on in our email. You can write us an email. Okay, thank you.